So Remy finally finished his reading, and that was the last page on his journal, his reading journal. He drew this right here, which is Peter Rabbit, and he used tracing paper. Did a pretty good job. And this is how it came out. Remy, you didn't tell us if the book was awesome or not.
Mom.
Was it awesome?
Oh wait, I thought you scratched it off.
No, not yet. So was it awesome or no? Or it was okay?
It was okay.
It was okay? Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll just put it okay. So, yeah, he did a lot of work in this book. We're so happy. My husband and I are super happy that he has done all this work. And we're just really, really proud of him. So, he gets to get a new journal, and right now he's working on putting a cover on it. This is the one he had last time, which is Ness. And so he's doing this one right now, which is...
Mom, that is Ness. It's Ninten.
Ninten, sorry. And this is Dogman. So he's just coloring it and adding his little stuff to it so that he can put it on here. We're going to go ahead and tape it on here. And then that'll be his new reading spiral. My daughter likes to use composition books. My son likes to use spirals. And here's my daughter's. This is the book she read. And yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. This is my little Grinch right here.
My little Grinch hand. At the video that from YouTube that I was Mr. Grinch.
We got a video of it.
We have a video of it, and go check on it that I was Mr. Grinch. Go check it out.
Yeah, I was freaked out.
I'm grading my son's work right now, his math work. He ended up doing 2 pages. He's already accomplished getting a certificate for his math because he already passed multiplication, division, and all that stuff. He's a 5th grader, but we're just going over some of it just to make sure he doesn't forget it. So, yeah, this is what he worked on today. So right now my daughter's working on subtraction.
And guys, look, this is a trick, but my mom was showing me this, but I was like, wait a second. And then I was like, 3, you have to look at this one, and right here, and 8's right here. So that's how you do it. That's how you do it. It's 3 and 8 over here. You don't have to count, you just
So
put
that's
it.
what she's doing right now, subtraction. She's going to do one more worksheet, and then she'll be finished with her math. Okay, so this is the second page she has to do right now. Subtraction facts.
This is kind of easy.
Okay guys, so now she's actually learning about her water cycle. This is her science for today. We already went over it, so she's going to go ahead and color this. And that's what she's doing for science. She learned about precipitation. She learned about rain, evaporation, water vapor, and runoff, and then underground, the groundwater. So that's what she learned about today. So she's going to go ahead and finish this up, and then she's going to start doing her exercise. She's doing the We Fit Plus. And she's running. Good job. Okay guys, so my son is doing his computers right now. He's doing typing club. And as you can see, he's doing a really good job.
It's kind of cheating.
Red are actually the ones that he gets wrong. And if they're in yellow, if he corrects them, they end up turning yellow. Green are all correct.
Hey, that's kind of like a distance. Okay. Okay. I'm not really sure. I'm in position. It's really hard because I've never done this before. Okay, I'll do that.
Come on.
So it's just... Ah.
Kiram, so where do they have to go to practice their typing? What's the address up there?
Address,
Up there.
www.typingclub.com.
Yeah.
It's also known as Edcot. See?
Okay, good job.